Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to run HTML file inside your VS Code. So it's very simple. There is an extension called as Live Server. You can actually search for this extension. It's really popular. So you will need this extension. It's developed by this person. I have already installed it. So once you click this Live Server, it's almost having 75 million installs. So just install this. So it actually launches a local development server with live reload feature as well. So now after enabling this, so you can actually go to its settings as well. So these are the settings, normal settings that it has. So this is the port number you can configure. So this is 127.0.0.1. It's normally called as localhost. So you just stick to the default options, don't change anything. So once you open your index.html, so you can actually launch it in quite a number of ways. Either you can right click and simply see this option right here, open with live server, this option will come. So once you click this, a live local development server will launch on this address as you can see. Now if you want to stop this server, you also have the stop live server. So now the server will be stopped. There is also this option, go live option, which also there. This also does the same thing. It is a little bit shortcut right here. Again, you go live, it will also do the same job. It will launch a local development server. You can see that. So this is the extension in VS Code. Using this, you can actually easily run your HTML file. So it can have CSS. As you can see, we are using CSS and also we are using JavaScript as well. So whenever you make any sort of changes, it will automatically reflect. So just make sure that you have auto save enabled. So as soon as you do the automatically it will detect the changes. So we are using this JavaScript file as you see. We are including this. So if you also make any change in JavaScript as well. So once again, the changes will be reflected back. So this is a really nice extension. Definitely install this live server.